In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate records in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If your contact list feels cluttered or you're noticing the same person showing up more than once, this quick cleanup will help you keep your data accurate and your workflow smooth. Start by heading to the Contacts section from the left pane. This is where all your people and organizations live. If your left pane looks a bit cramped or you only see icons, you can expand it using the button at the top left. Expanding the pane isn't required, but it makes it easier to read the menu labels as you navigate. Inside Contacts, look for the Merge Duplicates tab. Click on it, and Pipedrive will immediately show you any records it has flagged as possible duplicates. These suggestions are based on similarities like names, emails, or other overlapping details. If nothing appears here, that simply means Pipedrive hasn't detected duplicates right now. When you see potential duplicates, choose which record you want to keep as the primary contact. The primary contact is the one that will remain after the merge. The other record's information will be combined into it. Pick the one with the most complete or most up-to-date details, such as the contact that already has the correct email, phone number, or associated deals. Next, click Preview. The preview screen lays out exactly what will be merged, often in a side-by-side comparison. Take a moment to review the fields you care about most: names, emails, phone numbers, titles, and any linked items like deals, activities, or notes. This view helps you confirm that you're keeping the right version as primary and that nothing important is being lost or overwritten. Once everything looks good, click Merge. Pipedrive will process the change and consolidate the information into your chosen primary contact. This usually takes just a moment. When it's done, you'll see one clean, unified record instead of two, and your duplicate count will drop accordingly. If you have more duplicates listed, repeat the same flow. Choose the primary, preview the details, and merge. Be deliberate with your selections, since merging is meant to be final. If the list is empty when you're finished, you're all set. And that's all it takes to remove duplicate records in Pipedrive quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more reliable contact data.